was 175, 103, and today we're at Baglan on the South Wales main line. So that was on a Transport for Wales service, probably do like Manchester, Piccadilly or somewhere. So see you when the next train arrives. 175 coming. Okay, she can. Last one. That was 175,006 or 006. So last train. That's not the last train. The next train is the last one. So see you then. We have a Class 800 coming. Going to Swansea. Oh, 9 or 10 coaches, I think. Yeah. It is. Yeah. Yeah, 800 10 car 800 that going to Swansea. Oh, 10. Okay, we have a 158 coming. I think it's stopping. Was it flying? Yeah, I think it's stopping. Yeah, it's stopping probably. Yeah, that's stopping. And it's 158 819. So, see you on this train. You can't stop yet. Right, see you on this train's departure. So it should be leaving now. Yeah, it's leaving. Going to London Paddington from Swansea. Sorry, to coach 175. I think that's stopping. Yeah, the train. I think this train is stopping, and it's going to Swansea. It's stopping. Yeah, this train is stopping, and it's calling at Britain Ferry, Neath. Clan Samler and Swansea. I think it calls at those stations, but it's going to Swansea. Yes, stopping. It's definitely the stopping one. It's 175 008 or 008. Train's departure. Here she goes. I think we have 175 107 in the new Transport for Wales livery coming through. but it's in the new Transport for Wales livery. First time seeing this new livery. I quite like it. That was 175,003 and 175,000. So there's wrong one liveried 175 in the Transport for Wales livery. So that is the end of today's episode at Baglan. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and the next one will be at Blaenavon Steam Railway. Goodbye.